And I got lots of beautiful correspondence from people that I had met when I was in Gaza and the West Bank, thanking us for that and saying that it gave them some hope even in the midst of the bombardment last year, to see that the Irish Parliament cared about them, that the Irish people were standing up for them. But I also got quite a bit of abuse on my Facebook page. I got a rape threat. Wasn't terribly nice. I reported it. It was an American. I tracked down the Facebook page of the person who had sent it to me, using a tip that somebody sent me on Facebook. On Twitter, I posted a comment on Twitter saying that I'd had this horrific message and could anybody help me in dealing with it. And someone pointed out to me that actually if I put their email address into Facebook that I'd find their Facebook page, which I did. It was a guy in America, so I reported to the American embassy and asked them to take appropriate steps, mainly because, look, it was upsetting. I was at home my own that night. It was really late at night. It was about 2 o'clock in the morning. My phone beeped with this message, and it did upset me. But also because I felt that if somebody was comfortable sending something like that to me, that he was probably doing the same to lots of other people, and that shouldn't be tolerated. Of course, we have to take criticism. That's part of the job, but there is a line, and at the end of the day, people need to appreciate that politicians are people too.